Hey y'all, it's Crystal and MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and I thought I would hop on here real quick and show you what I was making for dinner tonight. See, last night I made pulled pork, and it was so good. And there was leftovers, not a whole bunch of leftovers, but a little bit. I didn't want to throw them away, so tonight I took my mama's buttermilk biscuit dough, I rolled it out into a rectangle, and I have filled half of it with the leftover pork. And I'm about to top this leftover pork with some caramelized onions that I just sauteed. Yum. And I'm going to top this with some chopped jalapeno. And now I'm going to top it with a little bit of green onion. And now I'm going to top it with some cheddar cheese. And spread that over. So basically what I'm making is a biscuit hot pocket, and I do this all the time with leftover foods. You might have seen my video a couple of weeks ago, or more like a month or so ago, where I did a leftover pot roast stuffed inside of biscuits. Mashed potatoes and onions and carrots and meat and all of it. Just mashed it all up, put it inside of biscuits. So good. Hi, Romeo. That's my cat. So now, I'm just going to take the other part of the biscuit dough and I'm going to fold it over. If it rips a little bit, that's all right. You can fix it. Just push it back together. And I'm going to press down the ends so I can seal it. And if I have a whole bunch of leftover meat, then I'll make a double batch of my mama's buttermilk biscuits. And then I'll make a huge sheet pan full, like my biscuit hot pockets. And I will put a link in the comments for my mama's buttermilk biscuits. You can go on my blog and search for them. In the right-hand corner, there's a little search bar. But I'll put that link on there to take all the effort out of it for you. Let's seal. Alright, so the biscuits have come out of the oven, or my biscuit hot pocket, stuffed with barbecue and cheddar cheese and jalapenos and caramelized onion and all that good stuff. Come out of the oven. I brushed it with some melted butter in my Little Mermaid coffee cup. And I'm about to slice into it. Oh, that looks good, y'all.